Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the Kopykat single 3-500Z amplifier. This amplifier is based on the BM technology platform. Also it's powder coated. It has all components built, come from rfjunk.com, and you got your AM, standby, and sideband. So we're going to leave it in standby mode right now. We got a little midnight special here. With the 1446 comparable transistors. Show you 100 watt slug, average power. Keying about 18 watts. Hello. About 66 watts of drive. We're going to take this out. Put the 5 watt slug in reflect. Flip it on here. 1000 watt slug in average, 5000 in peak, 5 watt reflect. Hello, hello, hello. Oh. Quarter watt of reflect. Hello. Hello. So about 650 average and about 1800 peak. Got a couple of these units available. Feel free to contact me at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.